Good evening, everybody. Please take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. By the grace of Almighty of Allah, Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. It's winter. A light breeze blowing normally. I feel very happy this moment. Actually, winter time at this moment very good for health. Can you see this here? The sky somewhere little clean, also dark for winter. Also you can see sun, little light give us for good health. Everybody, actually I am practicing every day. I don't know properly English speaking language, so I am practicing every day. You can practice every day. If we practice every day, we can good for English speaking. So thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.